So this is my first video for YouTube, and I'm just going to do it with my phone on top of a big pile of books, looking out of the window so you've got enough light. I haven't plugged in a microphone, I haven't got any extra tools, but I'm just going to start. So a bit about me. My name's Lucy. I live in South Birmingham in the very centre of the UK. And for the last 25 years, I've been working in the UK voluntary sector. And before that, I worked in financial services marketing for two massive international companies. And I think I'm going to focus my YouTube channel on issues to do with leadership, team development, management, as I really believe that those are things that years of experience can teach you tools. And I think those are issues that I know quite a lot about. I've managed big teams that have been all over the world, or small teams based all in the same room as me. And through those different experiences, navigating change, developing the people in my teams, and motivating people, providing vision, clarity, powering people forward, I think I've learned a load of techniques that I'd really like to share. So if this sounds like the kind of content that you'd be interested in, let me know. I'm going to set myself the goal of publishing 10 videos over the next 10 weeks and keeping going. So I've almost deliberately filmed this video right now. I've got about 15 minutes before I've got to go and catch a train. Tomorrow I'm delivering a workshop for a board of trustees for a charity, and so I've got to go down to London. And I just thought, crack on. Every single video I've watched about you from YouTubers giving advice was that no one's going to bother if your first video is a bit rubbish, and the best thing to do is just get going. And so I just thought, yeah, I'm just gonna get going. So I've been puzzling around buying a tripod, microphones, those kind of things. I'm not going to invest in a new camera. I'm definitely going to carry on using my iPhone. But I thought, before I start worrying about what microphones to buy or tripods, I'm just going to use a pile of books and a water bottle to steady the phone and make it a bit more upright. And I'm just going to film some stuff. So here's some stuff, and I will keep on doing this. So do feedback whether you like it or not, or if there's anything else you think I should be talking about. But essentially the topics are going to be around issues to do with leadership and values-based leadership in the impact sector or non-profit sector or charity sector, whatever you wish to call it. So this is it for my very first one. And so, yeah, I don't know how to finish. Just going to finish. Bye. See you next time.